Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. Today I am going to be making a pumpkin wreath using the Dollar Tree metal pumpkin frame. And guess what this is that says it's fall, y'all, with an adorable little truck with pumpkins. It's a placemat from Hobby Lobby. For this wreath, you're going to need one of the wire pumpkin forms from Dollar Tree, this cute It's Fall Y'all placemat from Hobby Lobby, and it's two-sided, so if you don't like this side, maybe you'll like the other side. And it was very inexpensive, $1.99, but I got it when it was 40% off. So this side's very pretty too, that says thankful. You will also need some floral picks, and I picked mine up at Dollar Tree. You will need some ribbon with wire, and mine came from Hobby Lobby. You will need your scissors, your wire cutters, and some zip ties. First, my husband took the placemat and drilled some holes in it, and then we just zip tied the placemat to the metal frame. And then I just took the scissors and I just went around the edges, trimming off the corners. This pumpkin frame would look very cute if you wrapped the outline of the pumpkin in twine first before you got started. And so here I'm just trimming off the corners, and so this is how it looks, and I think it is super cute just like this. But y'all know I have to add a bow on everything. First, I made a little swag, and I picked up these berry picks at Walmart for 97 cents. So I picked up 2 of them, and I just kind of threaded them through the wires and then overlapped the stem. And then you'll want to take a zip tie and zip tie your little swag together. And my husband usually picks up my zip ties at Harbor Freight. I think I said at the beginning that my floral picks all came from Dollar Tree, but these 2 came from Walmart, and then the orange flowers did come from Dollar Tree. Okay, next I'm tying a bow, and this ribbon came from Hobby Lobby, and it's 2.5 inch width ribbon with wire, and it's very sheer. So you'll want to let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, make another loop about the same size as your first loop, and then just go back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in your left hand or in whichever hand you choose until you get the bow the size you want. Make sure you're making your loops the same size on each side. Then let out a tail, and you'll want to either have some floral wire, a pipe cleaner, or a zip tie to wrap tightly around the center of your bow. And here I'm using some 20 gauge floral wire. Make sure you get the wire or pipe cleaner or whatever you're using tight around that ribbon. And then I'm dovetailing the ends. Take your ribbon, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side and cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. And that just kind of dresses up your bow. And then make sure you fluff the loops of your bow. And now I decided to add the buffalo plaid check ribbon on top of this one. So same steps. And this ribbon, I believe, is 1.5 inch width ribbon, and it does have wire, and it came from Hobby Lobby. And when you shop at Hobby Lobby, if it's not on sale, make sure you use your 40% off coupon. I think I bought this at 50% off the week it was on sale. So Hobby Lobby runs a sale pretty often, so just check pretty often or use your coupon. I just took another piece of floral wire and wrapped it around my bow, and then dovetailed the ends of the ribbon, and then I just took the wire off of the buffalo plaid check bow and just wrapped it around the sheer black ribbon, went to the back and gave it a few twists. Now I did cut the wire short on the black bow and left the one on the buffalo plaid check long so that I could use it on my swag. Now for this one, I just threaded the wire under the little swag, under the wire on the pumpkin wreath form, and then gave it a few twists and cut off the wires and folded them down. And that way, if you want to, you can reuse your flowers and your bow on another craft project. You could also take some Dollar Tree twine and wrap the little stem with twine. And then I also added some of the orange flowers on the bottom swag. So that's always an option. And here I'm just tying the little simple double bow that I put right below the stem. Instead of adding flowers around the little swag, Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby has some really pretty miniature little velvet pumpkins, and it would look cute to add little pumpkins in there. So that's also another option if you don't want to add flowers. And here I'm just taking a pipe cleaner and wrapping it tightly around the little bow, and then I'm just going to thread the pipe cleaner around the wires of the pumpkin frame, give it a few twists, then go to the back and cut the extra part of the pipe cleaners off. Now I am just hanging mine up using the little metal stem, but you could, if you decide to wrap it in twine, then you can either hook a wire on each side of the stem to hang it up, or a ribbon, or you could use a zip tie. And so guys, this is how it looks before I added any fall flowers. So let me know if you like the swag with flowers added or not. I kind of like the pop of orange that it adds when I added the flowers, so let me know your thoughts. The only thing I can see negative about adding the flowers is it's kind of hard to read. It's fall, y'all, but other than that, I love the flowers. And so like I said earlier, you could add the little pumpkins or flowers or both, and it would be very pretty, and it's so simple to do and inexpensive. I really appreciate all of y'all that have been watching and leaving such sweet comments on my other wreath tutorials. I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope everybody's doing good and feeling good. Thank you so much for watching.